Window air conditioners need cleaned often because they get so filthy. On the left is a furnace filter and you can see it catches dust and debris, whereas the one on the right couldn't even catch a cold. This model's intake grill has 2 screws and 2 tabs holding it on. Here's one tab and the other. Every manufacturer's cage is a little bit different, but you need to take off the cage, which involves a lot of screws. This is one whole piece that slides out, where some of them come off in pieces. Now we're going to play a little game called Watch Me Think I'm Smarter Than Everyone Else by sliding it out instead of taking off the electrical box and tipping it like I know I need to. So after admitting defeat, I did it the right way by taking off this electrical box. Get this out of the way so it doesn't get smashed, and also get your little temperature probe out of the way. This just comes undone. Now all you have to do is tip it on its face so that you don't smash any electrical components. Now you just pull off the whole cage. See how easy that was, Tim? Yeah, you proved your point. Now just lean that baby back. Now take off your top plate so you can get more access. And like I said, every window AC is built a little different, so just use your judgment. Here's just a little preview of my video on how to do a deep clean on this unit. It's easy, satisfying, removes mold, and will save you money on electricity. Or you could watch my video on how to clean your AC the lazy way by leaving it in your window. And it's surprisingly still very effective.